That's why they're under pressure 5 down. Good test for this India middle order and the lower order as well, that, as you know, Mike, quite often doesn't get to bat that often when you've got such a powerful top three in this. Generally in the Indian lineup, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli at 1 and 3, and Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul, who have scored plenty of runs. Quite often they don't get the overs under the belt that a lot of other sides get.
I mean, Shuttle Tucker is basically in the side because he can bat. And certainly performed nice in Wellington. Those T20, so they will expect something from him. The rest, not so much.
Yeah, it's a different story. Game on the line, chasing a total and that run rate required. It's the key, not only for India but for New Zealand, if they can break it.